Hey everyone! Today is a sweet, nourishing DIY hair mask that will cleanse, moisturize, and coat each strand to help promote long and strong, healthy hair growth. This aloe vera was freezing in my refrigerator, so it started to become flimsy, but aloe vera helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp, conditions the hair, reduces dandruff, prevents itching on the scalp, and promotes hair growth. Old avocados work just as good. They're full of fatty acids, vitamins A, B6, D, and E. It revitalizes hair, protects from damage and dryness, moisturizes, and encourages growth. Bananas gone bad are the perfect ingredients to add. I can never eat the full bunch fast enough, so this is perfect if you have the same kind of problem. Bananas make your hair more youthful and it strengthens your hair as well. It adds moisture, it synthesizes collagen, which promotes healthy hair growth. It heals itchy, dry scalp, and it smells great. Honey treats dandruff, it naturally conditions, it cleans your hair follicles, it moisturizes your dry hair, and it increases shine. But be careful not to overuse it because it can naturally lighten your hair over a long period of time, unless that's what you want. Cinnamon encourages healthy hair growth by stimulating the blood flow within your scalp, which promotes hair growth. It reduces your fallout, it exfoliates and nourishes the scalp. It keeps your scalp inflammation at bay, it prevents breakage, and cinnamon too can lighten your hair over a long period of time, so again, beware. Mayonnaise helps reduce dandruff, it stimulates growth, it maintains the pH level balance, it prevents your hair damage, conditions your hair, calms frizzy hair, and it creates a barrier of protection and moisture on your strands. Olive oil moisturizes your hair, promotes hair growth, treats dandruff, makes your hair stronger, helps prevent split ends, and basically repairs your damaged hair. You know I use onions for all of my masks. It nourishes your hair follicles, it improves blood circulation, it adds volume, it prevents and treats scalp infections, it reduces breakage, and it cleanses your scalp and balances your pH levels. When you're finally finished with everything, blend it nice and smooth so it's creamy and silky and easy to put on your scalp and your hair and easy to wash off, and you're done. So you have this tasty, delicious smelling hair mask that will cleanse your scalp and, I don't know, treat it right. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever, and I will see you lovelies in my next video.